Do you know that over 75% of creators who've made six-figure income started with just a few simple gadgets? That's right. You don't need a fancy studio or you don't need expensive equipment to start making real money as a creator. When I talk about as a creator, I say a content creator. Are you on YouTube? Are you on Facebook? Are you on TikTok? Anywhere. You don't need those fancy things. The truth is, some of the biggest influencers today started with a smartphone, a ring light, and a simple mic. When we talk about a smartphone, we don't mean iPhone. We don't mean Samsung Galaxy S S23. No, we mean a smartphone. It can be any smartphone provided it is a smartphone. And when we talk about a ring light, we don't mean those big ring lights. No, any ring light as simple as $20. Let's break down, but before we break down what a content creator need to make money, as simple as you hear, it is not other than in billions. It is just simple. So we're going to see the basic things a creator can start and make six-figure amount of dollars without sophisticated gadgets, without sophisticated studio, without even going to the extent of buying cameras. Before that, I would love to salute every creator that comes to Onimarket show every time, every now and then. If you know you come to Market Show and you're a creator and you always boldly live on what we teach you, on what we bring here, please, I want you to write in the comment section. I have end of year, and at the same time, end of month gift for you. Let's down. Let's break down let's break down the essential tools of every creator that a moderate creator needs, or a startup creator needs to get started without breaking the bank. When we talk about breaking the bank, recently we're talking about with some people who want to be creators, but they are giving excuses. There's even some people we try to mentor, but they give excuses that their phones, their gadgets are not good. They want to first buy smartphone. We say, what about that one you have? No, we want iPhone, we want Samsung. First up, your smartphone, you need to use it. That is your first gadget to your studio. Today's phone come with amazing cameras, and as many of the top creators use their phones to shoot high quality videos to platforms like YouTube and Instagram, without forgetting Facebook and TikTok. Can I tell you my story? I started with, I think, a phone which had no name even. In Dubai, you can get access to any type of phone, but it was a smartphone. Then I upgraded to a phone which was a bit okay, and it was a gift. Then from there, I went to a Samsung, and after Samsung, when I started earning money, I didn't even buy it. One of my mentors, one of my best friend, gave me iPhone, and as we talk, let me leave it that. So you can start with any smartphone that you have for you to start a studio, to start creating content. So don't give any excuse, or don't sit down and delay that money from coming to your account because you're waiting for a smartphone. You're waiting for that high priced iPhone. No. Start now. Start with any smartphone that you have, and you don't need to be very fancy for you to be a creator and start earning money online. Remember, our goal is to make money, and then let the money you put for you a studio. The second thing, okay, before that, with the right setup, your smartphone can handle just about any type of content you want to create, you people. From vlogs to tutorials and even live streaming, the quality you can achieve is more than enough to attract viewers. What do? You need to only go to the settings and set it well. I remember when my manager used to tell me, please, Christine, can you go to this setting? Can you click on here for the quality? Can you do this? You need only the right setup, and you start from there. Next up is a ring light. You guys, my ring light is far, but I would have showed you that I had three types of ring light, but they are very cheap. They are not even expensive. Lighting can make a world of difference in how your videos look. And a ring light is affordable, very affordable, everywhere and anywhere you are. Easy to set up and provides a bright, even light that makes your videos look professional. You can be gotten with a ring light. Ring light are as low as even, I think, $10, even $5, up to $20. You can have a perfect lighting for any setup. When I talk about ring light, right now you can even start with enough light, a bright light. If you have maybe floor lamps that are very bright, if you have very nice setup in your room, which is, even you can go to the extent of using natural light as far as outside is concerned if you don't have this. So make sure that your lighting is superb and just clear. Now let's talk about the microphone. When I talk about the microphone, you can see this microphone. I remember the first microphone I started with was as simple as, just very simple, and I think I gave it out. It was a gift from me also. I didn't buy it, it was gifted to me. Then the second one was a gift. I also gave it out as a gift. I remember on our anniversary, I gave it out to somebody who was a upcoming content creator. I don't know whether she's still a creator. We gave her a phone and that mic because we wanted to transfer our energy to her, but I don't. I'll follow her up and I understand what is taking place. Let's talk about this sound. A simple clip-on microphone can dramatically improve the audio quality of your videos, helping your content sound clear and professional. Viewers are more likely to stick around when they can hear you well. And this is an investment that goes on a long way as you continue. I remember recently when we have been having another microphone. I think this mic, that the one you can see I'm using right now, we got it like 1 year back. But setup was a problem. And also when it is not easy. We want something because we're used to this small one. So we always use this and it is easy to give sound. But as people go on, you want to use that sophisticated mic and you look good. So the first time I think the first 3 days we forgot to switch on to balance the sound, and everybody in the audience or the people who are watching were like, the mic is very low, the mic is very low, whereby it affected our ratings of that. So please, mic you can buy as cheap as any mic, provided it can give you a clear sound for people to listen to you. So with just 3 items, you people, a mic, a smartphone, and a ring light, you can go to the mountains. You can move. You can go to the dollars. You can start making money on any platform, and in particular with YouTube. So just three of these items: your smartphone, your ring light, and microphone, you are ready to go. These are essentials that are needed for you to start being a content creator, to be a sorry for that, a social media entrepreneur. And these essentials, they cost as much less than you expected. They are very much than a professional setup, but they make a difference and they can take you to the world. They can make you make enough money. The great news is some of the most successful creators started with exactly these tools. You people, you'll be there and say, no, I have to wait for a ring light. I have to wait for this kind of light that is in the studio. I remember one time I was in a certain club whereby I believed in anything to start humble wherever you can start a studio. And I remember they used to say, no, we have not set up a studio, we have not yet put soundproof, you're not yet done this, that, the other. And the more you become too much professional, at the end of the day, you find you have not grown even from the small mic, even from the small thing you have. So you cannot even treasure the big studio that you build. So start from where you are. You people, some of the successful creators started with exactly these tools. But what matters is your consistency, is your creativity, your quality content. They grow you. Those are the three things that you need, and you'll grow without knowing. These ones can make you grow your audience, and the income can also grow. You can also find yourself the same income that you get from there will make you get the high end equipments that you need for your studio. So you guys, don't start giving any excuses. Don't sit down and wait to have microphone, the big ones. No, 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 no. What you do, grab any microphone that is as simple as it is, set up your ring light, clip on your small mic, and get to work. With just few essentials, you are well on your way to making you high and six and money like some of us. Remember, it's not about having the most expensive equipment. It's not about getting started and letting your creativity creating your creativity on the gadgets. No, let your creativity, let your consistency, let your dream make you shine. Because what I tell you, what I've seen in this world, you only need your creativity. It's not about the gadget, expensive equipment. So where you are, can you make money online without those sophisticated machine? Yes, you can make them. Please, wherever you are, start out and let you shine by making money online with only your phone and simple mic. Even if you don't have that mic, start with your phone. Start, make a step. Other things will come along. Thank you very much. See you in another video.